morning. Happy Monday. Just about to get my day kicked off. I don't even know if you can hear me because this is not where it's supposed to be. I'm just about to get my day kicked off, and I have come to the realization that when I took my son to his dad's yesterday, he took my mouse with him. So I'm going to have to go buy a new one because I keep reaching for it and it's not there, and I don't do very good directing with the mouse on my laptop. So, like, even the little piece is missing. Okay, so I guess I will be back with y'all a little later. My charts, as you can see, are still opening up. Oh, they just finished opening, I think. Oh, part of them. Let's just take a look at what's happening. Wow. Look at this ugliness over the last few days. Let's see if the daily chart is even opened up yet. Okay, well, I guess what we'll do is leave it here and come back and check it whenever we're done. What are my intentions? Let's just look. This looks like it wants to go down. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. So I'll be back with y'all in a bit. Maybe an hour or so. Okay, so we're back at it. Okay, here is the daily chart. So, still haven't done any major breakthroughs. It looks like it's really trying to break through to the downside. I'd be definitely hyper aware of this little spot right here. Just kind of stuck between this little area at the moment. We have a lot of distance to run back here, but we do have an area that's holding without a ton of strength to the downside. So it's kind of a mixed bag when it comes to the daily chart. Below showing reasons to push down here, but we're also making higher pivots. So we're actually starting to show a little bit of a wedge. We did make a higher pivot here, which shows us a head and shoulders. I could see reasons for this to go both directions right now. What time is it even? Oh, the market's been open for an hour and 12 minutes. Guess we'll find out in just a moment. Yes, I will move it to a break even, but it's got to get above this area first. So we're going to move it up just one tick right now. Alright, let's see what happens with these two. Reach that top band. It hasn't broken through, but it has a really good chance of it. I just want to watch this for a second. Feeling so super impatient right now. Maybe because it's been an hour and I feel like I'm just watching paint dry. So I'm going to take that one out. I think I'm going to go ahead and take this out. I'm seeing some reasons for this to really pull back. Yeah. It could definitely pop up from here and continue up, but I am good. Okay, yeah. Okay. yeah, that was a long morning, more than I was anticipating. So it's probably going to continue up from here. Oh, I only got a point out of that one, but that's okay. 7.5 points, 2 trades. Let's go ahead and write these out here. All right, guys and gals. That's going to be it for today. 2 trades, 7.5 points. I moved some settings around this weekend. I did have it to where the trades would combine, and I wanted to change that, so I changed that. There's a couple other things that I changed, and it seems though it may have made some things a little bit weird, so I need to go through and fix that. But anyways, that's going to wrap it up. Happy Monday. I hope everybody had a great Easter weekend. It's Earth Day today, so be kind to Mother Earth and to all those who live on it. So much love, good people. Hope y'all have a wonderful week, and look forward to catching y'all on the profitable side.